Have you ever seen a bird stuck like this? Don't assume it's dead. It's likely just an unlucky kingfisher. But how does it get stuck in a tree, you might wonder? Well, kingfishers are fast and focused hunters. When they spot a fish, they dive at impressive speeds of up to 25 to 40 miles per hour, so fixated on their target that they sometimes crash into branches or trunks. Occasionally, their sharp beaks get lodged in the bark, and with their tiny legs, they struggle to pull themselves free. So, if you ever see one in this tricky situation, you might just be witnessing nature's need for a helping hand.